children.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine, teacher.
Now I give you this ball and I play the music. When music starts, you pass the ball to your friends. When the music stops, the person with ball should say some kitchen item. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Music starts, ball moves. Music stops, the student who have the ball stand and say one kitchen item. What do you say? Kitchen item. So let us start. What do you say? Things in my kitchen. What do you say?
Things in my kitchen.
Shall we start?
Yes, teacher.
Shall I start from this side? Bhavyendra, music stopped at you. Say one kitchen item. Good. Stop. Sit. When music starts, then pass the ball. When music starts, music not started. Not like this. Like that you have to start. Stop and very good. Now again pass the ball when the music starts. Meghavarshita. Say one kitchen item. Already stove, cooker, already told. Leaving these two, you have to say another word. Very good. What is the spelling of mixie? M-I-X-I-E. Sit down. Today I am going to tell you the story about the
Recipe book.
recite book.
Recipe book.
The recite book. It is also a book. Recite means the process of preparing any food item. Recite means the process of preparing any food item. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the recite book story. Okay. Once there named a man Raju. Once there lived a man Raju. He owned a small hotel. Once there lived a man Raju. What is the name of the man?
Raju.
He owned a small hotel. What did he own? He owned a small hotel. Own means his own, not for rent. He owned a small hotel. Everyone who visited the hotel liked the food as it was very tasty. Everyone who visited the hotel liked the food because it was very
Tasty.
Who liked the food in this hotel?
Everyone.
Why did everyone like food?
Because
it was
very tasty.
tasty. Raju also supplied food on bulk order. Bulk means very large scale, very large, very big order. Raju also supplied food on bulk orders. One day, Raju got a big order to cook dinner for a party. What did Raju get one day? To cook dinner for a big party. What was the name of the man?
Raju.
The name is Raju. And what did he own? Owned a big hotel or small hotel? Everyone visited his hotel liked the food as it was very tasty. Who liked the food in his hotel?
Everyone.
Why did they like food? Because it was. What did Raju supply? Raju supplied food on bulk order. It's not for 4-5 people, for so many people. One day, Raju got a big order to cook dinner for a. Suddenly, what happened, you know? Unfortunately, Raju fell ill. Ill means not in good health. What happened one day? Raju fell ill and was quite worried. Worried means unhappy. Why Raju was unhappy? Is he in good condition, good health to cook food for the big party?
No.
Why was Raju worried? Because he was ill. Why was Raju worried? Because is he able to cook food for the big party? How could he cook? When you wanted to do something, you have to be healthy or not. So Raju was not in good health and was worried. And he was worried about how I cook food for the big party. Understood? Then what happened? The recipe book saw this. Who saw this? The recipe book. Raju, as not in good health, worried about what? Worried about bulk order. Who saw this? The recipe book saw this. Immediately he talked to his friends. The recipe book, my dear friends, I want to help Raju. Who will come with me? Our Raju fell ill. He is on bed and is not able to cook food for the big party. I want to help Raju. Who will come with me now? Who said these words? Then the pot came and said, I am big enough to cook food for the party. What did the pot say? I am big enough to cook food for the party. Then, so who is pot? Pot is a friend of. Then another friend came. May I join you? I can grind the things that you need for cooking in minutes. Can your mixer grind the things in a minute or not? Do you have mixer in your houses? So you have seen the mixer. First of all, who came to help Raju? Then what did the recipe book say? I wanted to help Raju. Dear friends, who will come with me now? What did the recipe book say? Who will come with me? Then immediately who came first? The pot came. The pot came and said, what did it say? I am big enough to cook rice for the party. May I join you? I am good. I can grind the things that you need for it. After the part, who came to help Raju? After the part, who came to help Raju? Then after mixer, a knife came. After the mixer, a knife came and said, I can slice and dice the vegetables. What did the knife say? I can slice and dice the vegetables. Get ready, my dear friends. Onions, tomatoes and chilies. Here I come. Who said these words? What did it say? Get ready. Get ready. Whom? Whom is it asking? Tomatoes, chilies and can you see the picture here of a knife? Do you have a knife in your house? Yes. Hello. Can I help you? Finally, who came? Stove. Without stove, can anybody cook food? Okay. So finally who came? The stove said, "Hello, can I help you?" What did the stove say? Hello.
Can I help you?
What did the recite book say? I want to help Raju. Who will come with me now? Then the pot came and said, what did the pot say? I am big enough to cook rice for the party. Then the mixer said, I can grind the things in a minute. May I? Said the mixer. And knife came and said, I can slice and dice the vegetables. Here I come. Get ready, tomatoes, chilies and onions. Here I come. Who said? Finally, the stove came and said, hello, can I help